how this thing feels like a tank.
Yeah, because the window line's so high.
Yeah, everything is so high.
I love it though.
But like the dash is really, you kind of have to peer over it. What's that rattling? Is that part of the interior or is that just...
Yeah, it's the interior. I don't know where it is. It might be, I don't know. It used to be over here.
It's over there.
See, to me it sounds like it's over there. But whenever I'm driving, it sounds like it's over there, so I don't know where it is.
The interior on this car feels pretty good. I mean, there's plastic here, but all like the stuff you're touching feels pretty good. Yeah. It's all leather. It's all good leather. Don't the gauges in the Camaros kind of all look the same? Like the
cluster?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
not the new ones, but like the 2010 to 15s, yeah.
They all look the same. It's a cool design. I mean, it's kind of like squared.
Yeah.
Then you have all these gauges down here, which is what? Your oil temperature.
Oil pressure, voltage, oil temperature, trans temperature.
Okay, cool. This has the R-Spec pack, or not the RS package. Yeah. And that comes with alloy wheels, the leather interior. Halo
lights. I think that's it.
That's it.
The chrome.
The chrome trim, yeah, which you blacked out.
Yeah, that I took off.
Yeah, you plasticked it. Which looks amazing. I feel like there was too much chrome on this car.
Well, it's just that the front had the grill that was black, and then the bottom was chrome.
Yeah.
Or the top was chrome.
It just didn't look right.
And it looked like chrome into black. It was like supposed to be one piece, and it did not look right at all.
So these cars are just lighter than the SS's.
Yeah.
So if you wanted an autocross car, this would be the way to go, because you know you can actually dart the front end a little bit better than having all the weight up front with the big V8. They don't have the same power, obviously, but with autocross, you don't need a whole lot of power. You just need to focus on handling. So if you had like coilovers and you lowered it a little bit, and you kept the engine up front, the V6, I think it could be a pretty awesome autocross car. Modifications. It has a Canon cold air intake up front and a Borla exhaust. What model is it?
It's called the exhaust is called an MRT 1.0.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds great. I don't really think there's too much differentiation. I think it's more of a brand name thing.
Yeah, I mean this car, honestly, I mean I've heard a lot of awesome V6s like Z's and whatnot, but this is probably my favorite sounding V6 car, just because of that exhaust.
Yeah.
And that just says, like, for this car being mostly stock, I mean, that says a lot, because, I mean, for a car to be mostly stock and it sound like that, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Out of a 3.6 liter, that's pretty awesome. And it has a lot of usable power. I mean, like, with an SS for daily driving, I mean, that's a lot of power for just, driving back and forth. I mean, what, 450 horsepower?
Yeah, 455.
Yeah, that's a lot of power. And for your regular average person, you don't need that if you're trying to just get from A to B. If you just want a daily driver car, but you want a Camaro like body style, this is the way to go. And now that Ford has gotten rid of the V6 Mustang, there's nothing else really competing with the Camaro other than the Challenger. If you want a fun car that's a Camaro, but you don't want to break the bank, this is a really solid car.
Yeah, especially if you don't get all the RS and you just want the Camaro name.
Yeah.
You don't want all the fancy dancy stuff.
Yeah. This is a solid way to go. Yeah, I just denied my shift in the third.
Yeah.
So you have to get at a certain RPM for it to shift. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.